If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience in FIFA 24 by improving the graphics performance, follow these steps to optimize your settings for smoother gameplay. Step 1. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Navigate to the graphics settings menu within FIFA 24. Lower the resolution and set the graphics quality to medium or low. This will reduce the strain on your system and help increase frame rates. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website like NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can significantly enhance performance and compatibility. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly without interruptions. Step 4. Optimize system settings. Adjust your computer's power settings to high performance mode. This setting prioritizes performance over energy savings, which can help improve overall game performance. Step 5. Use Game Mode Windows 10/11. Enable Game Mode in your Windows settings. This feature optimizes your PC for gaming by prioritizing CPU and GPU resources for the game, reducing background processes that can slow down performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the graphics performance of FIFA 24, leading to a more enjoyable gaming experience.